These are the parts needed to build the front end. Attach the front wheel bracket to the right PVC axle spindle. Attach the front wheel bracket to the left PVC axle spindle in the same way. Install a washer and then place the plastic end of the strut on the spindle bolt. Install a washer and a nylon nut on the spindle bolt. Do not tighten at this time. Install an adjustment nut on the other end of the strut rod. Screw a 3/16 inch rod about 4 inches long into the plastic strut end. Screw the plastic end into the adjustment nut. This will allow you to adjust the length of the strut and tighten when necessary. Install a washer and nylon nut on the spindle bolt. Do not tighten at this time. Insert the front wheel in the axle hole. Install the steering arm on the axle. Install the axle nut. Do not tighten at this time. Install an axle nut to the outer bracket. Complete the same procedure for the other wheel. Make sure the handlebar is aligned straight. With the steering column T aligned at about 5 o'clock. Install the tie rod assembly into the T. Tighten the axle nuts on both wheels. Make sure you keep the steering arms aligned with the wheel bracket. Connect the tie rods to the steering arms. Do not tighten at this time. Adjust the tie rods to align the wheels. Wheels should be towed in about 1/8 of an inch. Measure the distance between the front tires at the front and rear. It may be necessary to bend the steering arms to complete the adjustments. After all adjustments are made, tighten all bolts and nuts. Check the left and right turning radius. Install screws in the steering column cap and T. Install a bolt through the tie rod and T. Install 3 screws through the handlebar to the steering column. Be sure to watch part 13. I will assemble the pedal drive and components. Thanks for watching.